Earlier this year, I participated in my first ever game jam where I created a game in 7 days. By trade, I'm an enterprise software engineer, which means making games is not part of what I usually do. But in this video, I present you my game together with some of my thoughts. In my submission, you are the operator of a computer simulation in which you need to guide clueless non-player characters, aka NPCs, to their destination. The core concept is that you can't let them know that their world is not real, as otherwise the simulation will crash. To play the game, you need to place objects to guide their trajectory. Of course, you can also remove objects to free up paths. And lastly, you have the ability to make sounds to distract them. The twist is that you cannot do any of this in the field of view of the NPCs, as this will raise suspicion, which will eventually end the game due to a simulation crash. In addition to my idea, mechanics and coding, I modeled 5 levels and a couple of 3D objects in Blender all by myself. Only the music and sound effects came from previously bought asset bundles. It seems that most people enjoyed the game, as it somehow managed to reach the top 100 out of more than 1,600 submissions. The graphics and audio seem to have been my weak points and appear to have dragged my overall score down significantly. However, I stand by my magnificent 3D modeling work, and I cannot understand why anyone would not like it. If you too like what you see, please check it out using the link in the description. I will probably not participate in another game jam anytime soon. While I like doing side projects and creating stuff in my spare time, I don't particularly like stressing myself over self-imposed deadlines, especially during my precious time off. After all, I have a job and other responsibilities, and I need my downtime. However, I now better understand why people do it. You create something quickly from scratch in a short amount of time, and you get a chance to have lots of people play, review and comment on your game. The competitive aspect was also a nice addition, as it really helped me go the extra mile. Knowing that people would judge it, I was highly motivated to give everything a bit more attention than usual. One of the main problems I had with the jam was the surprise topic. I did not like it at all, and I spent an awful lot of time coming up with something I considered creative and unique. And yet, even with all my brain whacking, I never became fully convinced of my own concept. But don't get me wrong, I'm still pretty happy with what I ended up with. If there's one more thing to add, it is that next time I will try to work with other like-minded people, as the solo experience was a bit boring. I'm sure that working in a team will complicate some things, but it will also certainly make the whole experience a lot more fun. That's all I have for now, and I thank you for watching.